Hey guys, this is Robert with No Filter HVAC. Not sure this is going to be my first video, but basically one of the first videos I'm going to be recording, putting on my new YouTube channel. So today I have this American Standard communicating system, and a couple days ago I came out to check for a leak. Couldn't really find one. Use a electronic leak detector, soap and bubbles, went old school. And then we had another technician actually use a subsonic leak detector, which usually finds every single leak. Couldn't find anything. So we added some leak seal with some fluorescent dye in it. Came back a couple days later, found out that our transducer here had a little leak on it. So just threaded, pops onto the suction line down there. And it's got a little Schrader valve, so it doesn't leak out in refrigerant. You don't have to do any recovery, pump down, nothing. So this thing is not easy to get to. It might be a simple little fix, taking one part on, one part off, but getting this wire, whole harness replaced. And I try to do the easy thing. I tried fishing the line through without taking off all the panels, but that didn't work. So ended up doing the right way. Took off my fan, my housing, disconnected my wires. Easy thing about this fan, it is ECM motor. It's got all the little connections over here. This fan motor's and housing pretty easy to take off, as long as you don't mind lifting the 20 pounds off a 3-foot unit, but a couple little connectors here, and just don't forget to take off your ground, because that's screwed into the panelet. So after that got done, I did end up using some 3-wire thermostat wire, and I just fed it through, disconnected the lines up here. This is where the connection comes to. And then of course it goes here to your board. But you don't have to deal with anything in here. It's all out here on this side. So the other connection, which is this little guy right here, disconnect here. It runs back here through this panel. You can kind of tell. So we could have taken all this stuff off, but probably would have been more of a headache. So of course I got somebody over there trimming trees about 100 yards away from me, and you can hear that. But I got that all fished through, got it into here, and decided to start the video because that was the hard part. And right now I don't have a tripod or anything to set up so y'all can see my ass actually doing all this stuff. But I figure, hey, any video that helps anybody kind of figure these things out is good enough. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to basically hook up the end of the thermostat wire to this one. Make sure you cover this guy up, don't get any dirt and debris, don't get it wet. Tape it up really well to this, and I'm going to feed it all the way through, and get it connected, get it turned on, and go from there. So let's see how easy it is to take this thing back through these coils and behind this panel and get connected. Got to make sure that you just don't nick anything in the little connections and disconnect them, because then you'll be back out here tomorrow, and you don't want to do that on a Saturday. All right, guys.